Hello everybody, I'm in Villa Despotiko in Antiparos Island, and today I'm going to shoot a short commercial video for this villa by using the Sony FX30 and the Tokina atx-m 11-18 F2.8. As a professional in real estate content creation, I have to capture both videos and stills of houses and properties that are going to be listed, either for sale or for a seasonal rent. The capture material should be of the highest quality in both stills and videos, so my tools should be able to follow this guideline while at the same time to be as compact as possible, as I must travel to different locations. My new favorite lens for real estate work is the ultra-wide-angle Tokina atx-m 11-18mm f2.8. This lens pairs beautifully with the Sony FX30 camera. Together, they create a powerhouse combination that's ideal for capturing stunning real estate videos and for commercial work in general. The Tokina atx-m 11-18 on the Sony FX30 is an absolute gem when it comes to wide-angle capability. The lens has the ideal focal length range for this type of work, which in full-frame equivalent it translates around to 16 to 27mm. Basically, it allows you to capture the entire essence of a room or a property in a single frame, making it perfect for showcasing spacious interiors and outdoor spaces. Combined with the low distortion of the lens, this combo is unbeatable for real estate videography. In the world of commercial work and based on today's standards, everything must be captured in high detail, and the Tokina atx-m 11-18 really shines in this aspect. The fine textures, the architectural designs and features come to life, ensuring that your real estate videos will stand out. The lens produces excellent image quality across the frame, even wide open at f2.8 aperture. When it comes to real estate videography, smooth focus transitions are crucial. The Tokina atx-m 11-18 has exceptional focus control. Coupled with the state-of-the-art focusing system of the Sony FX30 will allow you to seamlessly shift between different elements within a scene. In addition, the focus breathing of the lens is minimal, so there won't be any issues when changing focus. The minimum focusing distance of the lens allows you to get really close to the subject, capturing some fine details. The FX30 is a camera that is designed for commercial work. It's sharing the same body design as the FX3, but it comes with a new 26-megapixel APS-C sensor. It can record up to 4K 120 internally in 10-bit 422 in S Cinetone, and due to its design with the internal cooling fan, you can rest assured that overheating will not be an issue, even on hot environments like the island I live and work. The dual-gain ISO of the Sony FX30 and the 14 stops of dynamic range, along with the f2.8 aperture of the lens, allows me to shoot in difficult lighting situations without issues in the quality. In terms of mobility and versatility with this combo, I have a very powerful yet compact and lightweight system on my hands that can be used in a variety of situations, allowing me to capture both videos and stills of high quality on any type of property. I usually just carry a gimbal and a tripod with me, and overall I can be very mobile. Speaking of gimbal, due to the low overall form factor of the combo, it is very easy to balance it even on smaller gimbals, and because both camera and lens are compact and lightweight, not only I can shoot for a longer time without hurting my arms, but I can shoot even on tight rooms and spaces. As a conclusion, I want to say that I'm very happy with the performance of this combo, and for sure it had a very positive impact on my commercial work.